What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn what to do to improve the FPS, the game FPS, your Windows computer overall performance into a simple, fast, and really easy method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, please go to our Windows, start your panel, and into right here we're gonna click and search for core isolation, just like this. Okay, core isolation. You must be the computer admin to change this option, and you need to set off into these two options right here: the local security authority protection and the memory integrity. Okay, all you have to do is set this off. You must be the admin of the computer, just like this, and almost immediately your computer FPS, your in-game FPS, will be improved. After closing the game, in the case that you want to go back, all you have to do is set things as on once again. It's a quite simple process, but you're gonna notice significant improvements, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!